We're the Redneck Redcoats, and we're sailing SV Fresh to Solden.
We're on a journey, looking back on the things that we've taken for granted, but feels like we're learning to be better without what's been holding us back now. Let's move closer to a new history, find out what we can be together. Take my hand and we will conquer the world. This is our final chance. 'Cause one day we'll be looking back at this. We were in a big mess together. But we found a way to choose right from wrong. We found the strength to go on together. To go on together.
Baby shark, baby shark, do 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 do. Where is it?
Lose my breath, fly me up to the moon. Right there.
I don't think there's nothing.
He may be moving that one because maybe he didn't get anything. We'll see. I think it's cool. I would love to have like all the details. How you do it, how often you check them, how much do you actually get. Kate, can we just tie a line to you or something? Can you see?
I can see him under there. You can?
Did you get it?
No, it's wrapped around it.
Huh?
It's wrapped around the prop.
Shoot. So if we cut it, can we pull it loose?
Cut it now.
All right. Hey, can we put just a rope around you to get you back up if we need to? How bad's it wrapped up?
It's wrapped around pretty good.
Surprised we made it here.
We only just did it.
Oh. It's a little hot.
Don't pull on it because it may be wrapped around his arm or leg or anything, something. So we came back to, what is this called, Women Key? To anchor out so we could stay here during this storm. And just as we got here and Steven was about to drop the anchor and I went to put it in reverse, I noticed something was wrong and I looked back and there was rope just coming right off our rudder. So this is what we pulled up. This was on our rudder. Well, the rope was. I have no idea what size they have to be to keep or eat. I don't even know what kind they are. But the ones that we caught in North Carolina did not have arms that big. These are big, fat arms and choppers. I mean, that's like a talon or something off an eagle. That's huge. Interesting. I don't know if they're even legal to keep, so we're just going to toss them back. But I have no idea. What are we doing with the trap, Steven?
Just open it and throw it over there. Cut the rope.
The rope's already cut. We had to cut it to get it off the boat. But, I don't know. Retie it and drop it over there with the other one?
I don't want it anywhere near my boat.
Yeah, but if we took it out there with the other, there's another one right over there, and maybe attach it to that so the guy can get it back.
Yeah, right.
I mean, I don't want him to lose his trap. That's some big old dang chompers, though. Look at that.
What we got?
Strawberry cake.
We all needing a bit of cake, are we?
Yes.
Bit morale booster. I don't like the way you're pointing that knife at me.
I think we're tired of being on the boat because the weather's crappy. We're tired of waiting on emails like, I have an appointment so we can't go anywhere until that appointment happens. We're just stuck. And everybody's kind of not in a good mood about it. So,
Cake makes us feel better.
Well,
I prefer my cake to be warm when you eat it. So you have to put the frosting on and let it melt like that. And then this is like the best part because it's just all the crumbs with the melted frosting on it.
At Boca Grande, there's a pod of dolphins. There must be between 10 and 20 dolphins in this pack. Every day, at least 3 or 4 times a day, they would come playing around the different boats. They'd even pop their heads up just to see you watching them before they'd swim off and then come back a few hours later. Boca Grande is an amazing, beautiful place. It's one of the US's only natural atolls. It's believed that the atoll was actually formed by a meteorite. Boca Grande only has one beach available that you can actually visit and explore. The rest of the National Wildlife Refuge has closed many of the islands in this area from exploration. We just wish that some of the other islands like Woman Key and Ballast Island were available to the general public. We would have even have paid to have gone and visited Ballast Island. There is a beautiful house there that has been basically empty since 2018. You're not allowed on the island. There's big government property signs saying no trespassing. And we think that that's really a shame, and that the island really should be turned into a visitors centre for the National Wildlife Refuge.
Hello, and I just wanted to quick say thank you very much for everybody that's subscribed so far. We originally just put this up for friends and family, and we're starting to think that maybe some other people kind of enjoy watching our craziness in everything that we're doing. We're thinking about doing a live stream in a couple of weeks, and the reason for that is we're actually about to do a 670 nautical mile trip. There's no internet there, there's no nothing. You have to take everything with you, so we've been stocking up in Key West to do that. We're leaving with our buddy boat, SV Moab, tomorrow. And so if you're interested in doing a live stream, if you could leave a comment below and say what time's suitable for most people, and we'll try and work something around all of that. So we'll see you in a couple of weeks, and God bless you and love you.